Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Do you think our lives is a consequence of a series of fortunate or unfortunate events? Do you think life here on earth is random and arbitrary? I don't think so. May kadahilanan ng lahat ng bagay, hindi ho ba? At may dahilan kung bakit tayo naging Kristiyano at bakit tayo naging Katoliko. It's not by chance. It's not by the whims of our parents that we were baptized as Christians. We were chosen, set apart, holy in the sight of God and His people, as all Christians do. And that's no mistake, no matter how we consider ourselves unworthy and unfit to this call because of our sinfulness. God chooses us in spite of us, and we can never fathom His wisdom behind this. But one thing we know, we are chosen for a purpose. May kadahilanan. In our gospel, Jesus chose 12 apostles among His disciples who will be the pillars of His church, where He is the cornerstone. You all know, itong 12 ito, they were not the best of the best, not the best of preachers, not the most charismatic of personalities, not the wisest and the most eloquent and the most loving like Jesus is, but He still chose them nonetheless. Two things we can learn from the call of the apostles. One, Jesus chooses with intentionality. My dear brothers and sisters, we are no random selection chosen by lot. No. Just like the 12, we were chosen and we have a unique mission. Every Christian is called to a unique mission by Jesus. He chooses with intentionality. And two, Jesus remains with those He chooses. After choosing the 12, ganun na lang ba? Pagkapili, saka ipapadala? No. Jesus remained with them with the duration of His public ministry. And the apostles learned from Him because they were close to Him, journeyed with Him, before they were sent to their mission after Jesus' passion, death, resurrection, and ascension into heaven. Sa madaling sabi, bago sila naging apostoles, naging mga disipulo muna sila. We are chosen for a purpose, but we will only know His will, our mission through our vocation, if we choose to remain with Him and follow Him as His disciples. My dear brothers and sisters, discipleship is indispensable in our call. Hindi yan pwedeng mawala sa ating pagiging Kristiyano. Kapag tinawag kang Kristiyano, ibig sabihin, tagasunod ka ni Kristo. Disciples. We can never live out the purpose of our call without discipleship. And so we must be rooted in Jesus, for He is the one who called, so that we may grow in our relationship with Him in intimacy and trust. And then that we must walk with Him, so that we may remain by His side as disciples on this pilgrimage back to the Father. This is the discipleship needed from us to fulfill our mission as His chosen ones. Just like Saint Francis de Sales, the saint we remember today, in his writings, the foundation of all his writings is rootedness in Jesus and imitation of Jesus, in the fulfillment of Jesus' greatest commandment, love God and love your neighbor. So my dear brothers and sisters, He chose you from the world that you may go and bear fruit that will last. We can only bear fruit in our mission if we are built upon Jesus, rooted in Jesus, and walk with Jesus. Amen.